a great way to take in the sights across Ghent's historic centre. The cruise has regular trips throughout the day and seating is comfortable. Guide was entertaining and knowledgeable. Love this tour. Great history insights and cultural lessons. Excellent tour guide with a great sense of humor. It rained that day, so the boat departed every hour. When asking at the counter, my English was not good and I asked again about the time of the next boat. The grandfather sounded a little impatient. There will be an awning on the boat on rainy days, so it's relatively difficult to take photos. The tour guide's trilingual tour guide is very good. I really enjoyed the fun explanation of Ghent's history.